Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are going to learn how to find the area of a circle for a given diameter. The area of a circle is a space inside the circle. This is the area of a circle. And this area of a circle is given by pi r square. As you can see, to our question, they have given to us the diameter, that is a distance from one edge of a circle to another edge of a circle through the center of a circle. To our formula, we have radius, so we need to find radius from the diameter that they have given to us. Let us see the relationship between the diameter of a circle and radius of a circle. The diameter of a circle is equal to radius plus radius, that is the distance from the edge of one circle to a center, it is r, and also another distance from the center to the other edge, also it is r. So d is equal to 2r. I need to find radius. Since my formula it has radius, diameter is equal to 2r. I'll divide by 2. I'll divide by 2. By 2 I get 1. By 2 I get 1. So my radius is equal to diameter divided by 2. This is the relationship between diameter and radius. Let us do question number 1. They have given to us the circle with a diameter of 42 centimeter. We have diameter is equal to 42 centimeter. Area is given by pi r square, where pi is a ratio of circumference of a circle to radius, given by pi is equal to 22 over 7, and r, we can get it from d, is equal to d over 2, which is r is equal to, our diameter is 42, is going to be 42 divided by 2. We are going to get r is equal to, by 2, 1 by 2, it is 21. So our r is equal to 21 centimeter. From here now, we can find our area by substituting radius and pi to our formula. Area is equal to pi, that is 22 over 7 multiplied by r square, that is 21 multiplied by 21. By 7 it is 1. By 7 we get 3. So our area is going to be 22 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 21. 1386. This is centimeter square. Our area is equal to 1386 centimeter square. Let us do question number 2. We're supposed to find the area of a circle. They have given to us a diameter of 14. Diameter is equal to 14. An area is given by pi r square. I will use pi as 22 over 7, and the radius is equal to diameter divided by 2. This is equal to 14 divided by 2. We get 7 centimeter. Now I'm going to substitute r equal to 7 and pi is equal to 22 out of 7 to my formula to get the area. Area is equal to pi, which is 22 over 7 multiplied by r, it is 7. That is going to be 7 multiplied by 7, that is r square. By 7 I get 1. By 7 I get 1. Area is equal to 22 multiplied by 7, we get 154 centimeter square. So the area of a circle with a diameter of 14 is equal to 154 centimeter square. I hope you understand how to find the area of a circle for a given diameter. For more video on circles, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.